Based on what information do you, the public manager, make decisions involving tourism in your city? In the 21st century, most decisions about the segment in Brazil are still defined in guesswork, with less than 8% of tourist municipalities having enough data and information to understand the perception of visitors, and based on this information, to establish more assertive policies. And do you know how this impacts your city? Cities that invest in technological tools can generate savings up to 90% for public coffers, in addition to enabling the generation of accurate data, positively impacting the quality of projects created to attract public and private investment to municipalities. And to help with this sector came Smart Tour, with innovative solutions designed to provide a better experience to tourists in your city and generate valuable data for you, the public manager. Using the Internet of Things, our system helps to map the consumption profile of visitors in real time, values the city's cultural and historical heritage, and informs tourists' perception of the quality of services offered in the municipality, helping faster and more objective decision-making by the local government, besides the contribution to the public policies creation for the sector. Today, there are more than 850 tourist attractions monitored by Smart Tour, with more than 10 million visitors impacted. Tourists are well received, and you have access to relevant data to your management. Easy to hire, Smart Tour is the ideal solution to start the process of implementing a smart tourist destination in your city. Bring tourism into the 21st century. Smart Tour. Innovation is what drives us.